Hi, my name's James Barry and I've been involved in diamond sharpening now for over 25 years. I've been very fortunate to travel the world demonstrating to people the art of using diamond sharpeners, just to show how easy, quick and efficient they are in putting on an edge. This is as long as you're using the right kit. I've been invited down today to Alan Holtham's workshop to answer some of his questions on these topics. Let's go and see him now. Morning, Alan.
Morning, James.
How are you doing?
Fine, thank you.
Very nice of you to invite me down to this marvellous workshop of yours. It almost reminds me of my outdoor shed.
It's a bit tidy though.
yeah, I bet it is. Now, what can I do for you?
Well, I've been looking at this diamond sharpening stuff. I've seen it many times. It's been on the market for many years. I'm a little bit confused about exactly what I'm looking at. There seems to be so many different products, different prices, different qualities. What do I need to look for when I'm buying some?
Yeah, it's a very good question. It is a bit like a quagmire out there. It is very confusing. There's a lot of diamond product on the market and there's a huge variation in price. The reasons behind this really come down to construction and quality.
Right.
When you're producing diamond stones, there are two ways that they're actually manufactured. If I just use this as an example, so this is just bare metal on this side. So if we just imagine, number one, that diamond can be produced and made by impregnation.
Right.
In layman's terms, impregnation would mean a layer of glue put on that surface. The diamond is then glued onto the surface, and it's basically as good as that.
So it's just stuck on the surface?
Correct. A very cheap method, and that is impregnation.
Right.
The other way that they can be made is that would be put into a solution of nickel with the diamond in it. It is then heated up to a certain temperature, a current is put through it, and then the nickel is electroplated onto the surface, pulling the diamond in with it, and as the diamond comes in there, the nickel grows around the diamond, so in the end just the top third is exposed and 2/3 are locked underneath the nickel. So it's locked in there a bit like an iceberg.
Right. So
Difficult method,
yes.
quite expensive to manufacture,
Right.
but that gives you the long life and it's good quality.
So that's what you're paying for.
The other thing is there are two types of diamond used.
Right.
One is polycrystalline diamond. A polycrystalline diamond, each time that you go over it sharpening, almost cracks off a new face each time.
Right.
So it is wearing down as you're using it fairly quickly.
Right.
The majority of the time you'll find polycrystalline diamond glued onto an impregnated surface.
That's the cheap answer.
The other type of diamond is monocrystalline diamond, which basically stays as a whole.
Right.
So that is why you will find the impregnated polycrystalline diamond at the cheap end of the market and the electroplated monocrystalline diamond at the expensive end of the market.
Well, I've seen some stones which seem to have holes in them. What's the difference on those?
Yeah, and another good question. The main original stones sort of 30 odd years ago were the ones with the holes in. Fine, good product. Personally, I prefer any diamond surface which got a continual surface to it.
Right. Seems to make more sense.
Well, the reasons why I personally go along with this is like if you are sharpening any small tooling or something that is pointed, obviously if you're working on a surface that has got holes in it,
Yeah.
you can tend to snag in there.
In the end, yeah, I can see that.
Any small tooling, you will find that a bit of a snag feel. The other thing is that when you're working with a continual diamond surface, it is a really nice smooth feel when you're actually sharpening things.
So basically, you get what you pay for.
Yeah, I think you're right. The thing is that if you're purely driven by price, then I would suggest this range is not for you.
Right.
If you are driven by good product, something that's going to work very efficiently and last a long time, well then obviously you're going to have to pay the price to get it.
Yes.
This is a precision range of diamond equipment. This is why we've got the likes of Rolls-Royce and British Aerospace using these Trend products.
Right.
This is all the top quality end of the market, and that is something that we strive towards rather than going down the cheaper end of the market.
Right.